Hello mga pips. So today, aalis kami ng baby ko. And together with his papa. Pupunta kami sa health center and then sa Pag-ibig at ewan ko kung ano pang yung pupuntahan namin. So anyway, today, before ko siya liguin yung baby ko, gusto kong mag-choose siya kung ano yung susuotin niya. So ito try ko kung saan yung gusto niya. Wait lang. Okay, you choose which one you like here, babe. The tree, which one? Ah, the heart. The heart one? You want this? Huh? You want to wear this one? Huh? Okay. So I let my baby choose which one she likes. So mo ni siya ang gipili. Ito yung pinili ng baby ko, the heart one. Hindi ito na may unicorn, hindi rin to na elephant. Ito yung gusto niya. Okay. Since you choose the heart one, I'll let you choose again. Which one you like? This one, or this one? Choose. Sure ba? Asa mo dyan mo haday? This one or this one? Which one? You pick. You pick. Shabby. Pick. Get one. Just get one, baby. Sige. Saan ba diyan? Langga. Sige, Superman makadiha. Superman. Sige, saan ba diyan? Saan dito? Itong heart, this one, or this one? Okay, which one? You pick. You pick which one you like. Shabby. Shabby. Hello. Hello. You pick. Get one. Get one. This one. Look at it. This one. This one. Or this one. Which one? You get one. Shabby. Hello. Nadi-distract siya. Okay. Which one? Choose. Heart, unicorn, or elephant? Very good, Anoy. Sige, wow. Get that one. Get that one. Oh, sige. Crawl ka. Sige. Okay, that's what you like. That's what she wants to wear for today. So, ito na. Ito na, final. Ayan. Ah! Beautiful girl! Hey! Shabby! Yatta mo! Shabby, yatta mo! Shabby, yatta mo! Hala! Pika! Ba! Pika! Ba! Pika! Ba! Pika! Okay, beautiful kayo siyang heart. Na. Bye-bye! Yeah.